my study mates, welcome back to my channel, my study lab. So today's topic is food and nutrition part 1. So let's get started. As I was having a comment to make on this video. So first we're gonna learn what component foods. Before we get into detail, we need to learn that water, fiber and nutrition are three important components of food. Each of them have their special functions. So first we're going to learn about water's special function. 70% of our body is made up of water. So kids, you must consume at least 8 glasses of water in a day to flush out tonics and keep your organs functioning smoothly. So now let's learn about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is also called as carbs. Carbs are the body's most important source of energy. They help your body use fat and protein for building and repairing tissues. You should consume of the food group maximum of this food group, but there are good carbs and bad carbs. That means there are good carbohydrates and bad carbohydrates. So basically now we'll not get in detail. So just understand that carbohydrates is also called as carbs, and carbs helps us to get energy to play, and it also helps to repair the tissues. What are tissues? Those are not tissues which works like hanky. That tissues are basically white cells, and those white cells is present in our blood. So for this, you will not go inside and learn more into details. So just understand this, that carbohydrates are also called as carbs, and they give us energy and repair body tissues, and body tissues are white cells. So some rich source of carbohydrates or carbs are lentils, baked beans, corn, potatoes, hot chips, fresh fruit, orange juice, tinned fruit. So basically, what are lentils? So lentils are basically pulses, or you can say in Hindi dal. So these are the rich source of carbohydrates or carbs. So protein are like your Lego bricks. These are essential nutrition for human body. They are one of the building blocks of body tissues and can also survive as a fuel source. So a spinach has 49% of protein, a cal has 45% of protein, and a broccoli has 45% of protein. So basically, you all know what is protein. Protein also gives us energy as carbohydrates, but it gives us little bit of less energy. And the most protein, मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा protein spinach, kale and broccoli में है. Now we're going to learn about vitamin and minerals. Vitamin are like the soldiers of your body. They protect you from diseases and infection and help the organ grow and function properly. So basically, have you ever played chess? तो chess में क्या होता है, आगे pawns रखे होते हैं आपके. Those pawns are vitamin and minerals. In the chapter food and nutrition, हम उन pawns को vitamin and minerals कह सकते हैं. And फिर उसके पीछे रखा होता है आपका queen, king, bishop, rook and all that. तो उन्हें आप कह सकते हो हमारा carbohydrate and protein. तो because सबसे पहले the vitamin has to work, and after that the carbohydrates and protein will work. So vitamins are like soldiers. They protect you from disease. That means they protect you. In chess language we can say दूसरा जब आप पे attack करता है, these soldiers, that means these vitamin and minerals, protect you from these enemies which are called disease. So now let's learn about fats. Fats like carbs provide energy to body. In fact, fats provide twice as much energy as calories comprehends with carbs, but is very tricky food group. You should consume least of this food group or else you will become fat. Eating too much of it causes more harm than good. So better be aware. So that means there are uh, um, दी फैट आपको फैट भी उतनी एनर्जी देता है जितना आपको कार्बोहाइड्रेट जैसे कार्बोहाइड्रेट से दो गुना यानी कि ट्वाइस ज्यादा एनर्जी देता है आपको फैट बट it is a tricky food group. That means it gives you energy, but it can cause many disease if you eat it and it will get stored in your tummy. मतलब अगर आपने fats वाला food खाया like butter and ghee से बना हुआ food खाया and you just fell down and you just uh, lie down and watching TV. So what will happen? The fats food will get stored there and it can cause a disease called obesity. That disease, a basic, uh, the most common definition of this disease is that you get overweight, and that's not at all good for your body. So, this is a tricky food group. So now let's learn about a balanced diet because in every human body there is a main thing which is called the balanced diet because a diet would if the diet would not be balanced so it can cause you can be affected from any disease. So fats and sweets you should eat minimum. That means like if you have 100%, uh, so you should eat 10% of fats and sweets. Then you should eat 5% of beans type materials. That means 50% of beans type materials and 30% of dairy and lentils. That means dal and all that kind of material. So thank you and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So because I have saw that my target haven't been get it completed. So so please subscribe to my channel and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So bye bye, and hope you have understood all the things from this. And if you want me to cover any of the topic like this only, so you can comment on my latest videos in the latest videos comment box. So bye bye.